Namaskar. Hair loss is becoming a major concern in our country and it is affecting younger people too. Some studies show 50% of youth under 25 suffer from hair loss. And hair is designed to be powerful. A full head of healthy hair is so strong that it can actually support the weight of almost two elephants. But right now, your hair might be breaking even when you brush it. The problem is modern lifestyle, which is full of ultra processed food, which directly affects your gut health and digestion. And this directly affects the quality of your hair. Let me explain why. Hair fibers are made of 90% of protein called keratin. And keratin needs nutrients like iron, vitamin D, amino acids like leucine and valine, zinc and B vitamins to thrive. If your diet does not have all these, then your hair will become weak and lifeless. So today let me share with you 7 powerful Indian superfood that can naturally strengthen your hair. And towards the end, I will also give you a special traditional hair mask that can deeply nourish your scalp and revive weak hair. First, we have bamboo rice, which is a gluten-free grain produced from flowers of bamboo plant. It is rich in protein, calcium, iron, fiber, and B vitamin. These nutrients are extremely important for strengthening hair strands and improving thickness. You can cook it just like regular rice or make a simple khichdi. Even have it once or twice a week can make a difference. Second is horse gram. The humble dal is very powerful for hair because it improves iron level and boosts circulation. Poor blood flow to the scalp is one of the major reasons for weak hair roots. Soak and cook it into some vegetable or rasam. It also helps in reducing dandruff and scalp build-up. Next, we have curry leaf powder. Instead of just using curry leaf for tempering, dry them and make a powder. But curry leaves are rich in beta carotene, iron, and antioxidants that help prevent hair thinning and premature graying. Mix 1 teaspoon in warm water or add it to your meals daily. Instead of eating curry leaves occasionally, you can also make curry leaf buttermilk in summer. All you have to do is blend curry leaf with fresh buttermilk and take it mid-morning or at lunchtime. This helps in improving melanin production and digestion at the same time. Fourth is garden crest seed. These tiny seeds are loaded with iron, foliage and protein. They are especially beneficial for people experiencing hair fall due to deficiency. Soak them overnight and add them in milk or laddu. Now we talk about amaranth leaves. These leaves are a complete nutritional powerhouse. They contain iron, calcium, and antioxidants that strengthen hair roots. You can add them to dal, sabzis, or even dry them to a powder. Next is black raisins. These are excellent for improving blood quality. Healthy blood means better nourishment reaching to your scalp. They also help balance pitta, which is often responsible for hair fall. Soak these black raisins overnight and eat them in the morning. Last par ingredient for hair is lotus stem. This is very underrated vegetable. It is rich in iron, copper and antioxidants and support collagen production and strengthen hair root. You can include it in sabzis or curries. Now understand, hair growth is not about one magic ingredient. It is about consistent nourishment, good digestion and calm mind. When your body is balanced internally, your hair automatically becomes strong externally. You can use powerful asanas like Yogendra Paschimottanasana to improve your blood flow and also to calm your mind. Another powerful asana is Yogendra Vajrasana. which can really help you improve your digestion. And I have already told you that good digestion is vital for essential nutrients to reach your hair. So every day form a habit to practice Yogendra Pranayam 1, or called as equal breathing, for at least 5 minutes every day. This practice will really help you manage your stress, which is one of the biggest cause for hair fall. And now towards the end, as promised, there is a powerful traditional hair mask you can try at home. What you have to do is take 1 teaspoon arnica flower, 1 teaspoon bhringraj powder, 1 teaspoon dry hibiscus petal powder, and 1 teaspoon black sesame powder. Grind them together and mix with fresh aloe vera gel to form a smooth paste. Apply this mask over your scalp and hair. Leave it for 30-40 minutes. Then wash with bile cleanser. This combination works beautifully because bhringraj strengthens roots, hibiscus improves thickness, arnica boosts circulation, and aloe vera soothes the scalp. Use this once a week, and along with the right food, you will start noticing a visible improvement in your hair quality. Hair fall has become so common that people have started accepting it as normal. And I understand that. For many of you, your hair is deeply connected to your confidence. When your hair is healthy, you feel good about yourself. When it starts thinning or falling, it really affects how you show up to your world. But it doesn't have to be like that. The right food can reset your gut, and that will give you healthy, shining hair. You remember, your hair is naturally strong. You just have to give your body the right support. So take care of your hair from within, and it will reflect from the outside. Namaskar.